Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Mexican-themed parties with a review of the Libima 18 pieces mini Mexican sombreros. If you're looking to spice up your next celebration with authentic flair, these mini sombreros might just be the perfect addition. The Libima mini Mexican sombreros come in a bulk package of 18 pieces, ensuring you have more than enough for your guests, family, pets, and even to use as home decorations.
Crafted from quality straw material, these sombreros are durable and perfect for outdoor events like Cinco de Mayo, carnivals, and Mexican-themed parties. Let's break down what makes these sombreros stand out. These sombreros feature a classic Mexican design, adding an instant festive vibe to any occasion.
Made from high-quality straw material with a meticulous weaving process, these hats are built to last, ensuring long-lasting fun for all. With a diameter of about 5.9 inches and a height of about 3 inches, these hats are suitable for toddlers, small pets, and even as ornamental decorations. Whether you're hanging them on trees, doors, or using them as table decorations, these sombreros are perfect for fiestas, Cinco de Mayo celebrations, and any Mexican-themed event.
Now, you might be wondering, why choose these sombreros over others? Well, here's why.
With 18 pieces in each pack, you won't have to worry about running out, ensuring all your guests can join in on the fun. The straw material used in these sombreros is sturdy and reliable, giving you peace of mind during your festivities. The traditional Mexican design adds an authentic touch to your party, making it a memorable experience for everyone involved. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your next Mexican-themed party or celebration, look no further than the Libima 18 pieces mini Mexican sombreros. With their authentic design, durable construction, and versatile use, these sombreros are sure to be a hit with guests of all ages.
So, why wait?
Grab your pack today and get ready to fiesta like never before.
And that wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this video,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.